From above, the layout of the first 3 berths at the Lamu Port is clearly visible as the 2.5 trillion shillings project begins to take shape. The Lapset Corridor project plan includes a 32-berth port, transportation hubs for railway, highway and international airports in Lamu, Isiolo and Lodwar, an oil pipeline from South Sudan, Uganda and Ethiopia to Lamu Port, an oil refinery and 3 resort cities in Isiolo, Lamu and Turkana. However, despite the coronavirus outbreak that has forced the government to impose partial lockdowns and defined curfew hours, construction of the port project has proceeded smoothly as workers on the site embark on measures aimed at reducing the risk of COVID-19 infections.
At first, when this camp was closed, most of them didn't know why this camp was closed. But when the COVID-19 disease spread all over Kenya and in many cases being announced, it's when most of them came to realize the reason as to why this camp was closed.
At the site, each worker is required to wear personal protective gear as well as undergo regular temperature checkups.
We really appreciate their continual collaboration with us, making our work easier and accessible to areas that need our help. We therefore, on behalf of the Minister of Health, Lamu County, say thank you to the company.
Construction of the concrete placement of the last section of the vertical and horizontal beams in the 3rd berth has since been completed. Berth 3 project manager Mengo C says since confirmation of the first COVID-19 case on 13th of March, all workers were required to move into the camp to avert any possible infection that would have hampered the project implementation. The first 3 berths are being constructed by a consortium of companies led by China Communications Construction. Ronald Willie, News Our Business.